we are back, Mapagania. End of the match, Orlando Pirates 2, Durban City 0. We're back with men of the moment. You know I deal with these big ones. I'm here with Mofokeng. He's got another one in the bag. He's on a good run. I'm just going to ask him a couple of questions about today. Very tough game in the first half. How was the first half for you?
Hey, it was very tough, eh? Moya no loka rona so no le thatanyana mara at least re ile se kona for leader one, so at least re lwan.
How do you feel about your contribution within the team this season, coming from injury and coming back into the squad?
Hey, ke nana tswa injury no le tough mara I think no ke a khutla ke ba nna ke a tloela ke tsama ho etsa peace le pelo ya ka, so I think the important ke go khutla go tloela ke consistency, so ya ke nana ke tla tswella pele ke sebetse ka thata.
Relebohile Mapagania, Relebohile Mofokeng, man of the match. We out.